let's ask him.
Do you
how-
see my car? Just to survive, alright?
Oh yeah.
Don't put on television, but
Yeah, it's okay. Work hard, stay humble, just to
Of
survive.
course.
The singer is behind me.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, bro? Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. That's the nice fish.
Fish.
See ya.
Yeah. See you.
Yo, what's up?
Ah.
Yeah, that's our new welcoming. Anyway, we are now in the Jimbaran Bay.
Yeah, so now we are in Jimbaran Bay. Actually, this is Jimbaran Bay is pretty close, very close by. What is it? Four Seasons Jimbaran, just only 100 meters from Four Seasons Jimbaran. So
Yeah, if you don't know Four Seasons Jimbaran, that's the very fancy, famous,
Yeah.
very expensive hotel brand. However, Jimbaran Bay is very beautiful part of Jimbaran. Not so famous in Bali somehow, maybe because of the most of the area belongs to Four Seasons.
yeah.
However, it's very nice beach over here and also the vibes. So today's will be more about Jimbaran vibes.
Yeah. So yeah, we will explore more the beach, coast, white sand beach in Jimbaran.
Yeah, very nice beach actually and very nice sun. We will go now, we'll see.
Pedas kan? Nggih. So I buy lumpia. So wherever you go to the beach in, in Bali, like in Sanur Beach, Jimbaran, wherever it is, you must find the lumpia seller. It's like spring rolls with tofu, with tempeh, so yum, and then with the sauce, peanut sauce on the top.
This is the entrance to the beach, like always Balinese gate. And look, we already have a snack. Lumpia. Lumpia is like a spring roll. Lumpia I think is in the Dutch language, something similar. So if you are from Dutch, you can comment below. Yeah, it's very nice. I tried already. It's like a snack for local people. Yeah.
So yum.
Oh, nice, good crack. Anyway, I show you a little bit about.
Wait a minute. Has to be chili inside, you see?
And I feel already chili on my mouth. That's the beach. Very nice. That's very local beach actually. However, behind me, over there,
It's very clean beach, no?
is the Four Seasons, which is very expensive hotel because now it's open and the promo price is about nearly $1,000 per night. Promo 1,000. Normal price is much more, which is yeah, maybe next live. However, beach is very nice, very white and very nice sun. I'll make a few snaps now. Too much talking, right?
Yeah. Don't put too much of your face.
Oh yeah, somebody say I put too much my face. Actually, a few people. Sorry guys. Yeah, okay, no more.
If you miss Bali lumpia, this is for you guys.
O, smacznego.
Wait for the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere.
This guy behind me is another lumpia seller. However, he carry this box with the lumpia and everything on his head. Could you imagine? That's not super light stuff. By the way, the beach here in Jimbaran Bay, that's a real Jimbaran Bay, actually the really Jimbaran Bay area. The beach is super white and super nice sand. It's actually very similar to the California beaches. If you from California, you can confirm that. However, yeah, in California the beaches are very white and very sandy, and yeah, that's how it looks. Very nice vibe, yeah?
Yeah, and also it's more family friendly. If you see that, yeah, lots of families coming because, you know, look at the sand, so soft.
Yeah, so soft. And oh, look at the boat is there coming with the guy, fisherman, I think, and the child is playing, and in general it's very clean and very nice. It's very color is also that's a yellowish one.
Yeah.
So it's nice. Okay, too much my face today, god damn.
And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life.
And everything over here already and going that way. It's little bit not so best weather today. However, all this belongs to the Four Seasons. It's super fancy, expensive hotel. Yeah, we will go and show you more because it's very low tide. And normally it's over here is already water, so it's impossible to pass actually the coast of the Four Seasons. But now as it's low tide, it's possible. We will go, right?
Yeah.
How's your condition, honey?
Good.
Yeah. What was your plan today, actually?
Well, actually, that we will just explore the Jimbaran Bay, and then at the end we will have a seafood dinner.
Oh, we will have a seafood dinner, huh?
Yeah.
Always good to have a fresh fish, you know, guys.
Yeah.
That's how it looks.
With a painted smile, I was the willow tree. You were the fire that burned me. Right till the end, we didn't know we lost. It's not easy living with my fingers crossed.
Well, anyway, update about the weather in Bali if you're interested. It's hot, as always, over
Yeah,
30
but
degrees.
In the morning was a big rain.
Yeah, it's actually, hold on, it's
And
actually, look at the sky, it's actually very dark, but it's still so hot.
That sun is over there.
Yeah, sun is over, that's why my skin, I shouldn't record actually to facing the sun, but yeah. Well, you know the point. Anyway, it's hot as always. And I think it's time for the dinner.
So yeah, we will go to buy fish in the fish market,
Street food, street food, street food,
and
fish.
then we will grill it in the one warung. And yeah,
And then we will show you guys around.
Your beautiful life.
Alright, this is the handsome
Don't
guy.
put on television, alright?
Yeah, on television. Handsome guy with
Only
the
on YouTube. Okay.
with the beautiful flag and
Okay.
so sexy corn.
Alright. But you must try one, eh? Very nice. Maybe one packet peanut. Right?
I wish, but yeah.
What I do? I can see. Good or not? I want to see. Are you very lucky man?
Yeah.
Your girl very beautiful and sweet smile.
Oh,
Same
thank
like
you
my
so
corn,
much.
sweet, yeah?
She is as sweet as corn. You see?
Same like my corn, sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet smile. You're very lucky, man.
Thank you so much. How's your corn?
Don't jealous. Yeah.
He's funny guy actually.
I'm
so
just
I
speak with you,
decided I decided to buy corn. You know, like Damian just come in and talk to him, and then yeah, let's ask him.
Do you
how
see my car? Just to survive, alright?
Oh yeah.
Don't put on television, but
Yeah, I said that. Work hard, stay humble, just to
Of
survive.
course, for me, not for you, alright? If you big boss, maybe.
Yeah, but honestly, do
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have
yeah.
many customers?
Before, but now very quiet.
They're quite
Yeah,
So
of
bad.
course. Very
So-
quiet now because Corolla, not Corolla.
Corolla,
Yeah,
Toyota Corolla, yeah.
So, how could you survive life, Papa? How could you survive in life, you know, like in this situation? Would you like to share with our viewers, maybe in Australia, in other country? Would you like to tell them about how you
Just
could
selling
survive?
corn or something
corn?
else?
Before I'm sometimes yes guide.
Yeah.
Oh, he used to be a tour guide
I'm for
actually. That's why his English is
everything,
very good.
everything. Before I take on Ubud maybe, on Kutabi, Tanah Lot,
Mm-hmm.
on Uluwatu Temple before, yeah, but now not, yeah. Not yet.
That's good, but still, now even you selling corn, but it's still to survive
Enjoy.
and enjoy your
I'm
life.
selling alone, eh? I job alone. I mean, not selling alone.
Yeah.
So many people selling here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pedas manis, ah? Pedas manis.
See? Because we come to his shop and then he got customers.
Yeah. That's
We
how
bring
it
his stuff. See? This is the power of YouTube and then
Yeah.
bring
Something
his
like
stuff.
that.
Because at the beginning when we came, he said that please buy me because he didn't have any customers since he opened the shop here. He said garus, ibu garus. It means like open it for the, you know, he just opened it. So yeah. This is sweet corn actually.
Berarti lu memekel di negara di juga.
Iya.
Lancar. English.
Bapak.
Salut ya.
How much corn do you sell in
15.
one day?
One day, just maybe 50 for now. 50
50.
corn.
15?
50 or 30 or
Oh.
30 ya.
15 until 30 corns, but normally?
Normal
Biasanya?
before yes 75, 80, 100 sometimes.
Oh, normally like normal day he could sell like 75, 80 until 100 corns a day. But today, I mean like because of this situation, he only can sell about 15 and 30 is the maximum.
Yeah.
30 for now you're too busy finish 30. Sometimes yes 15, no?
No.
10 pieces for it.
I'll show you. Come. This is that special sauce that he will put on
This
his
one only
corn.
margarine. This one special sauce.
This one,
spicy.
what is it inside, Papa?
Margarine.
Margarine.
Yeah, to make it sweet.
To make it sweet and how?
No, natural sweet
Oh,
by
natural
corn.
sweet. And how about this one?
This is spicy make one.
Okay.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying.
Alright, as you see, after the beach we arrived to the fish market. It's quite busy over here. I'm quite surprised. Lucky as I got the space for the car, as you saw.
Yes, as you see that now is busy. Well, actually so many people are coming here. Like normally when we came before it's nobody, but now it's busy.
Yeah, it's quite busy, quite busy.
So first of all, I need to go to the fish market to buy fish.
Winnie will buy fish and I will show you around how is the look, and then we will eat and we will show you also how is the grilling and eating procedure. Hello.
Ini 25 ando. 25. Milih yo. Edan. Enak. Iya, edan. Iya, ngomong enak.
Alright, as you saw, I showed you the few fishes. Winnie bought a red snapper. We will go now and grill it and eat. However, I showed you also the huge sea bass, barracuda, and of course other seafood. However, yeah, that's how it looks. And after that was the backstage. Actually, outside the market was the people who was selling also the tunas, mostly small tunas. It's quite busy, actually, I have to say, right?
Yeah.
It's actually quite
I didn't
busy.
expect that this busy like this.
Yeah.
Normally like, so quiet, but this spot here in Kedonganan Beach is so many people.
Yeah, and check this out, these guys, these fellas, they are musicians, famous in Jimbaran. I have to be careful if I gonna go record them, they will ask you for money, however, that's how it is. Tunggu dulu habis ini bakar selesai, akan
I like this fellas singing.
Hah?
I like this fellas.
Bremen, yeay! Selamat sore, warung jegek luar biasa.
Yeah, we'll just make it here, yeah?
What?
I will just make it here. Okay, so actually that his warung is called warung jegek. Warung jegek.
Yeah, grill fish.
Well, actually that this warung you see, the singer is behind me, and and then full house inside. So I just drop my fish while I'm doing, you know, taking pictures somewhere. So yeah, just wait until empty and then we'll come back.
Okay, we're done.
Oh, kabarnya lo, no.
Right, so as you see, it's very good crack here, very good vibes in Jimbaran. Very good.
Actually, this area is called Kedonganan Beach. Jimbaran Bay is over there, over there, close by Four Seasons that we already
This
there
is,
before.
but this is very local
This
area.
is still in you know, like neighbor of Jimbaran is called Kedonganan Beach, and then we were in a fish market, as you see.
So many people.
So many people. Like normally, like, I think that few weeks ago we were here, right? And then it's not many people, but now
Yeah.
everything seems normal. As you see, also people flying kites,
Yeah.
enjoying like normal life. You
Yeah,
know?
that's good, good crack. Anyway, as you saw, so many people, so it's no space for us. Winnie gave to this funny guy fish to grill it, and I hope so when we come back after a few minutes will be some space to sit, and I will show you how is the tasty fish. However, the name of the warung.
It's warung jagags. Jagag means beautiful. Well, actually, as you see, also there are many singers singing there and welcoming you. They are happy. Actually, nobody is sad or something.
Yeah, definitely vibes now are getting better and better. I have to agree with that. People are more chilled, and yeah, it's like it's taking already long time, so you have to accept how it is, or just
Yeah, it has been 7 months. You know, like
almost
enjoy your life.
Yeah, have to enjoy. All right. By the way, you saw this kite. Whenever I start recording this, and I was told this is flying well, it's crashed. Sorry, I had already switched off the camera. However, the kite is after this building. Yes. So we will go see how is there.
Yeah, we will see how our fish. I hope that is already
Yeah,
cooked.
let's go.
So this is it. This is the grilled fish. Actually, that I bought 1 kilogram of red snapper's fish, and it's already grilled. I will try it. I hope it's not spicy. So good. So fresh. So the fish is a little bit spicy actually. Let's see how Damian is eating.
A little bit.
Is it spicy? But this
Yeah.
is good, you know.
Yeah,
when
good.
you eat fish, whatever it is, like a seafood, better you eat spicy one.
And drink cola. Very
Right.
important.
Right? Alright, so we already had the dinner actually. That's very food, and then I just paid around 110. It's about
$7.50 US.
$7 actually. It's so cheap. Okay, so yes, that's how it is Sunday in Bali actually, and
In Jimbaran
in
vibes
Jimbaran
actually.
vibes. As you see, many people enjoying their life. It has been 7 months,
And
but
they fishing already.
well, behind me actually there are many locals who is fishing. It's really good time to fish.
Yeah, now
at
like you
night,
said, it's
actually.
7 months after this this crap it is. So life is getting much more happy now, I have to say. I know a few videos before was a little bit sad.
But I think that depends on where you go and what to do actually.
Exactly,
in different
depends.
side, like In Legian Street, yes, they are still like a ghost town, but here in Jimbaran, in Kadonganan Beach, like people, locals going out and then they are going fishing, and yeah, so yeah, I think that's all our vlog today. And
yeah, like always, new video at 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT plus 8. Something new like always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share maybe.
yes, so if you are new in our channel, so every day our video is at 7 p.m. So thank you for watching, guys, and
See ya.
see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right.